you know, we exist and we come from a place where there is no form. It's like a void, and out of that void comes all the life, comes everything that you see. All of the light comes from that. All of life comes from there. The thing is that it's not to condemn the different, the dark, the light, or to condemn the polarities. It's, you know, we definitely, that's not the way to move forward, I would say, in my experience. You realize that these two polarities are actually, they're married to each other, you know, and they are like in a divine dance, as others have echoed also in other teachings, have viewed life and creation. So these two polarities they're working together, and you know, we obviously we forget that, you know, we choose to forget that when we come here, but these two polarities are contributing to our experience, and to the experience that we're having now. So it's interesting to think that we can be both, but also be none. But to me, I feel like there's a certain freedom in that. We can think that there's something really scary, but there's also something beautiful, you know. And so it just depends on your perspective and how you want to look at it. And you know, that's really where the power lies, is in your perspective and what perspective you choose. So beyond that, you can realize how expansive and how immense you are, to be able to hold all of it, to be all of that, and yet to be a space that is none of it. You know, you never cease to exist. Actually, you're always what you are, no matter what form or body you take. You're always you. So, you know, when a lot of us want to run away from this now, from this moment, from the suffering, and it makes sense that we want to run away from the suffering. I mean, if you look at humanity, think about what humanity has been through as a collective, and it's like we're all walking around needing a gigantic band-aid to help us, you know, because we have all been through so much as a collective and individually. And a lot of those things need to be addressed internally and externally. And, you know, you see a lot of the world, the way that it's acting, you know, it's like a one big, you know, PTSD. Everyone has like a post-traumatic disorder, and we're all acting, you know, going to war, you know, in violence, killing each other, you know, and all of this out of like the wounds that have been put on us, or that even that we've put on others, that are just kind of bleeding out. It's like the pain, it just bleeds out, and you know, that's how it gets passed down from generation to generation. And you know, now we're the generation that has to be like, this stops here. You know, we have to be the ones to be like, this stops here. You know, we want peace, we don't want war, we want harmony. Imagine, you guys, what we could do if we all work together, if we actually all work together. Imagine what we can do if we stop fighting each other and we all put all our energies and all our creativity together as humanity. We could create the most beautiful, wonderful place. I mean, beyond our wildest imaginations, because we are so creative and we are so intelligent. And when we work together best. So it's important to realize that, and it's important to realize that, you know, our interconnectedness is it binds us, and we can all help each other.